In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to woocommerce.com and you want to click on Start here. And once you do this, it's going to ask you a few questions. So here, you want to basically just go ahead and answer these questions. I want to start selling online. And then the second one is going to be, you basically have to choose a trusted hosting partner. So you have two options. And of course, we're going to click on WordPress because this is what this video is about. So you want to click on that. And it's going to take you to a separate page. There we go, where you can go ahead and it's going to say sell anything, reach everyone, and you can get a 14-day trial. And then of course you can go ahead and get one of their pricing plans after that. You can just click on start your free trial today, and what's going to happen is it's going to start syncing with your WordPress account, which I do assume you already have a WordPress account. So you're going to first have to answer a few questions. So what would you like to do? And then the next one is going to be what you're planning to sell. You can go ahead and of course put this in as well, press continue, and then you can go ahead and start the commerce trial, and this will add the basically the plugin inside your WordPress, and this is going to look something like this. Here on the left you will see your WooCommerce plugin, and you can see the days left on the trial up here. So once you click on that, it's going to automatically direct you to this page. It's going to take a few seconds or up to a minute to actually set up, and then here you'll be able to see you now have WooCommerce. You can go inside orders, customers, products, payments, analytics, marketing, so you can change pretty much everything. They'll help you start customizing your store. You can even go step by step over here, and yeah, that's pretty much how you use WooCommerce plugin in WordPress and how to get started. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.